your homework.
Oh, come on.
Do your homework.
Why won't it come on?
I said, do your homework.
Fine, but I don't know how. Direct and inverse variation. This is so hard. There must be a math tutorial about this.
The formula for direct variation is y equals kx. If an equation has a y-intercept value of 0, it is an example of direct variation. Therefore, y equals 3x over 4 is an example of direct variation because the y-intercept is 0. This is where the y equals kx formula comes in. If the value of y varies directly with x, and y equals 8 when x equals 4, find y when x equals 7. To solve it, you just plug in the numbers with the formula. You put in 8 for y and 4 for x. You end up getting 8 equals k4. The next step would be to find out k. You would divide 8 and 4k by 4 to get k alone. When you divide 8 and 4k by 4, you'll end up getting k equals 2. Now that we know what k is, we can go back to our original problem. Find y when x equals 7. Since k equals 2 and x equals 7, we just do 2 times 7, and we get y equals 14.
Number 1. Is the equation y equals negative 2x over 5 plus 3 an example of direct variation? The answer is B, no, because this equation has a y-intercept of 3. Number 2. If the value of y varies directly with x and y equals 12 when x equals 6, find y when x equals 14. Okay, so first I plug in the formula. 12 equals k 6. Okay, so first I divide them both by 6. Okay, 6 divided by 6, and then cross out 6, and you have 1k. And then do 12 divided by 6, you have 2. So k equals 2. Then, so since I need to find y, I plug in 2 for k and 14 for x. So y equals 2 times 14. And 2 times 14 equals 28, so y equals 28. So my answer is C, y equals 28. Number 3, inverse variation. If y varies inversely with x and y equals 4 when x equals 9, What does x equal when y equals 3? Wait, I don't know how to do this. Maybe there's a math tutorial about it.
The formula for inverse variation is k equals xy. You multiply x and y to get k being the constant variable. This is a problem where you would have to use the inverse variation formula. If the value of y varies inversely with x, and y equals 4 when x equals 7, find x when y equals 14. To solve it, you have to find k first. You just plug in the formula. 4 is y, and x is 7. So you have to multiply 4 times 7 to get k. 4 times 7 is 28. So k equals 28. Now that we know what k is, we can solve the rest of the problem. We just have to solve for x. We plug in 28 for k and 14 for y. So the equation becomes 28 equals 14x. The next step would be to get x alone. So we divide 28 by 14 and 14x by 14. The 14 over 14 cancels out, and 28 over 14 is 2. So our answer is x equals 2.
If y varies inversely with x, and y equals 4 when x equals 9, what does x equal when y equals 3? So x equals 9 and y equals 4. So to find k, we have to plug in the formula. So 9 times 4 equals 36. So k equals 36. So the question is asking, what does x equal when y equals 3? So we have 36 as k, and then we have 3 as y, and that is multiplied by x. So now we plugged in the formula, and now we divide them both by 3. So we have 3x divided by 3. We cross out the 3's and we have 1x remaining. And then we divide 36 by 3. That equals 12. And then we plug in the formula. So 36 equals 3 times 12. So the answer is D. X equals 12. Yes, I finally finished.